If you have always wanted to create content online, but you don't want to show your face, maybe you like your privacy, or maybe you are shy, this video is for you. There are two ways to create content on TikTok. The first method is by posting videos, while the second method is by posting photo slides. I will teach you in few minutes how you can start a photo slide content creation and how you can start a video content creation for your Faceless TikTok page. The bonus point to this video is that I will teach you how you can generate 50 content or 100 content in 2 minutes using only Canva. All you need to do is to schedule the content and post it, or you can generate them in just few minutes and post them online. Before starting to post content on YouTube, you have to decide what type of content do I want to post. Do I want to post content around fitness? Do I want to post content around religion, relationship, motivation? For the purpose of this video, we are going to create content around motivation and self-development. So we are going to create content about affirmation, and we are going to generate quotes under affirmation and motivation. So let's get straight to it. For Photoslide, we will use only ChatGPT and Canva. The most amazing part is that it is completely free and anyone can use it. Ask ChatGPT to give you 50 affirmation quotes. Copy it and paste on Microsoft Word. Now open your Canva, search for TikTok photos on the search bar. You will see hundreds of already made templates. Choose the template you prefer. We will use this one. Click on it. You will be redirected to this page. Select Customize. Select Customize these templates. You would then be redirected to this page. This is where we are going to compile everything. So this is where you will add your affirmation from ChatGPT. You can increase it by dragging to zoom in. To add the 50 affirmation quote, click on Apps. On the search bar, type in Bulk Create. Select this one and select Enter Data manually. Go back to Microsoft Word and copy your 50 affirmation quotes. Then go back to Canva, click on Email and delete column because we don't need it. Click on John Smith or number 1 and paste your work. As you can see, here it is. Then select Connect Data. Click on Name and click on Continue. Here you can see the 50 affirmation quotes. Select Generate 50 Design. And here you go. These are all your 50 designs. As you can see, we just created a 50 photo slide content for our TikTok page. So you can download it by clicking on download and make sure to select PNG and not PDF or MP4 so that it will be saved as a photo. So once you have saved it as PNG, it will be saved as photos and all of them will be saved separately in your PC. The number of photo slides you can create for your TikTok is unlimited. So I just use 50 as illustration. This is how you can create bulk content for your photo slide Faceless TikTok channel. And the next step is for us to learn how to create a faceless TikTok content using videos instead of photo slides. So let's get straight to it. So search for motivation on the search bar, select the video you like and copy the link. Go to Google and search for TikTok downloader. This is what we are going to use to download the video from TikTok. Select Save TTC. TTC in particular when you have your options on Google search. This allows you to save videos in form of MP3, that is in form of audio instead of video. So you can save as video and you can also save as audio. Other TikTok downloaders only allows you to save the content as video only, but Save TTC allows you to save it as both audio and video. So select save TTC dot select save TT.cc. Paste the link, click on search. Instead of MP4, which will save the video as a video, select audio, click on MP3, then download. Once completed, go to pixels.com, which allows you to use free stock videos for your content creation. Search for motivation and filter to video. Then click on search. Select the video you want and download it. Go over to CapCut, import your video from Pixels and MP3 from the TikTok downloader. Add both of them and adjust the video to fit the audio. To make it more eye-catching, we are going to add caption. Go to caption and click on generate. Adjust it how you want it to be. If you want it to be big or small, adjust it appropriately and your video is ready.
If y'all ever wake up not in a good mood.
Very simple. Very, very simple. We are done. We are done. And that is it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up. You know how to upload your videos and your Photoslide on TikTok. If you don't know how to do that, let me know and I'll teach you how to do that. But in this video, I only taught you how to create Photoslide content and video faceless content. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, if you found value in this video, give me a follow and give me a thumbs up, because it helps the algorithm. So why not? Bye.